Hello everyone. The key question before us is whether crude oil is witnessing the beginning of a structural uptrend or merely a temporary geopolitical repricing. Let us examine both the macro risk environment and the technical structure to assess the sustainability of this move. Brent crude has reacted sharply to the escalation involving Iran, briefly crossing $82 mark and delivering year-to-date gains about 26% before stabilizing near 79 levels. The immediate focus is the Strait of Hormuz, which carries nearly 20 to 25% of global seaborne crude flows. Even without a formal blockade, rising war risk premiums, tanker hesitations, and elevated freight costs are effectively tightening the supply. Now, the critical consideration is this an actual supply disruption or precautionary pricing. OPEC Plus has announced an increase of 206k barrels per day. However, this accounts for just 0.2% of the global demand. Therefore, in event of the sustained military activity or transit disruption, prices could extend move towards $90 to $100 range. On the other hand, a swift de-escalation may unwind the current risk premium and trigger a partial retracement. From a technical perspective, the structure has improved materially. Brent has broken above both the short-term and long-term descending trend lines, which can be seen on the daily moving chart, the purple moving trend line and the white trend line. The golden cross formation, where the 50-day SMA has moved above the 200-day SMA, confirming a medium to long-term bullish shift. That being said, the 14-day RSI near 75 indicates overbought conditions, suggesting that there might be some scope for near-term consolidation before any further extension. So, key levels to monitor will be around $88, followed by 92.14 to 15 levels on the upside, and the immediate support can be seen at 71.80 level, which was acting as the previous resistance zone, and we can understand it through the principle of polarity, which suggests that previous support start acting like as resistance and vice versa. So to summarize, crude is currently being driven by geopolitical headlines rather than the confirmed supply disruption. The sustainability of this rally will depend on whether Brent can decisively sustain above $85 mark or whether disruption around the Strait of Hormuz materialize. The market is at the inflection point for now, and positioning should remain disciplined and data driven. Thank you and stay tuned for more updates.